Alright, what's up guys? Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video. I'm in the car with my dad and we're gonna go hitting a RC event at right after work at nighttime. New group that I'm going with right now. So yeah, let's get up there and show you all the different RC cars. I'm driving my Rift and maybe my Scale Crawler, and then my dad's driving his Bomber that's built to the moon and back. So yeah, we'll catch you up when we get there. Oh, that's a lot of brass. Ooh. Four-wheel drive. No, front wheel drive.
I want. Okay, that's rear wheel drive. I want overdrive.
I think that's overdrive.
Perfect.
Just had to get the right angle. That a 10-2 chassis?
It's a Redcat Gen 2.
Alright. Very simple. Made it look easy. Alright, Chloe. There's a rock there. A big rock.
So quiet.
540 can. Is the capper even a 540 can?
That's I don't think so.
Oh yeah. Flip of a trigger and.
Is this a TRX Sport?
Yeah.
Sport?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Look at that low speed control. Bead folding in. I love those wheels. They look exactly like my truck actual wheels.
What motor do you have in there?
The stock 10-2 motor.
Great.
Come here.
Yeah, I've got a axial motor
Right.
in a Traxxas.
Hey, it works good, man.
Yeah, I like the more slow crawl than what the stock
Yeah.
motor is. Hold it. Go around. Nope. Right here, around. Yeah, right here. Dog gets 10 points. Minus 10 treats. Where did he?
Not happening. Too much loose dirt there. Under traction. Well, let's see what this one can do.
too truck weigh?
I haven't even weighed it.
Is it heavy or light?
It's pretty heavy.
Pretty heavy. Yeah, my truck is kind of that same build, but it's the 10.2. And I know mine would probably be struggling right there, probably even lower.
It wouldn't be struggling?
It would.
It would.
I thought you said wouldn't. I was like,
I don't think I
dang!
I don't think I can get to where he's at. Oh, I see the problem. My skid's broke.
Oh, really? What do you use to paint?
Heat.
Your link's not even working.
Alright guys, so we went to the RC event. I didn't really film it. I filmed the intro, didn't film an outro. We made it to the end of the course and then we just left. We didn't stick around all night hanging out and chilling. So another part in this video, we're dyeing my second Rift because I brought my orange Rift to the event. So we're working on my second Rift, which is supposed to be more the crawler Rift. We gotta go wild with it. We're freaking dyeing it pink. Gonna be sick. Let me show you the water. We're dyeing the water, boiling the water right now, getting it ready for dye. Gonna be sick. So we're gonna time lapse dyeing all the parts. What's up guys? Well, got that finished dyed. We have started to build the kit. So I guess we'll time lapse building the rest of the kit in this video. Might as well. I'm hoping to get this second Rift all put together. Let me show you my shelf. Oh man, the lighting is horrible down here. First Rift that we did for the crawling event. Rift number 2. Hopefully get that done and built in this video. It's gonna be epic. And this one's like a pink to be like different. It's not as pink as I'd hope. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, I'm actually gonna cut that video off there. I worked on the Rift as well as gone to my first event with this new company, this new Facebook group. It's Happy Valley Crawlers for Utah County, Utah. They've been super epic, so tons more videos of theirs coming. There maybe even start get a Sunday spotlight if I start going enough. So maybe you see a lot more of them on Sunday. But hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passions.